this video is about the treatment of kidney failure. In this one, we're talking about dialysis. Now, when you normally have a functioning kidney, we're born with 2 functioning kidneys, it has a very important role, and that is to filter toxins like urea from your blood, and otherwise, through its process of diffusion and osmosis, to maintain the right levels of hydration and electrolytes in your blood. So that's what it does under normal conditions. If your kidneys aren't working, then you need pretty urgently to have medical intervention to keep your blood clean. So the one we're talking about here, dialysis, is where you have an artificial kidney machine. When you visit in hospital once a week and your blood is taken out of your body through the machine and back into your body. Now, that's a pretty straightforward concept, and the machine is doing the same thing that the kidney is doing. It's removing urea and keeping the glucose, sodium and other electrolytes in your blood. It's accessible, there's one in every hospital. It's not too invasive because it's not pleasant, of course, but it's not like having a major operation. But the downsides here in purple are it requires every person to be visiting that dialysis machine regularly, like at least once a week, and spending quite a lot of time having that process done. They have to stick to a pretty strict diet, and it doesn't always work for everyone, so it's not always the solution to the problem. But that's dialysis in a nutshell. In another video, we'll talk about kidney transplants. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.